Well, the countdown is on to one of the most anticipated games of the World Cup tournament so far. The semi-final clash between old football rivals England and Argentina kicks off in Atlanta at 8. Our reporter Gavin O'Callaghan is in Dublin city centre where the fans have begun to gather. Gavin, with one team seeking to defend a title, another looking to end that 60-year wait for the World Cup trophy. It's gearing up to be a real thriller this evening.
Yes, Tommy, excitement is building. I'm here at the River Bar, bang in the centre of Dublin City, and as you can see, everybody is already on full voice. Now, I'm going to be honest, there's probably quite a few more Argentinian jerseys around the place than there are English ones, and whether all of those people are actually Argentinian might be another matter altogether. But earlier on, I was chatting to a few of these fans, and here's what they had to say.
Gonna do it. England's gonna do it.
Well, in history, even in 1960 already, there was a huge history behind the background and the teams. And then, of course, as you know, 1986 with Maradona, the greatest goal of all times in the World Cup, and also the hand of God.
No hand of God this year. This is ours.
We will win, and that's it.
And we're here for the Dance World Cup, and we're just here to support England for the football tonight. And we're really excited, yes!
Julian Alvarez and Lautaro Martinez. And one assist for Messi.
We're going to do it tonight, we're going to do it.
It will be a tough game, obviously, but I think Argentina will win.
We're gonna win!
Say who, lads? So as you can see there, Tommy, this is a really intense rivalry, and even though these sides haven't played each other in over 20 years, the times that they have has been really, really intense. As I said, there was 2002 when David Beckham scored the goal for an English win, while in 1998 he infamously got sent off in a game that Argentina won on penalties. Now, of course, you cannot talk about this fixture without talking about Diego Maradona's hand of God in 1986. Now, that won't be able to happen tonight because of the VAR, and like I said, now we are counting down the hours. There's just over an hour and a half to go until kick-off. Will it be these lads singing tonight? Or will it be these lads singing tonight? I think we'll just have to wait and see. Tommy?
Excitement already at fever pitch. Gavin O'Callaghan in Dublin city centre. Thanks indeed.